Hey everyone, it's Andrew at LA Valley College, and today we're going to learn how to indicate a 4-jaw chuck. The most common form of work holding on a lathe is the 3-jaw self-centering chuck. On this chuck, all 3 of the jaws move together and automatically center the part. For most machining, these chucks are good enough and make setup easy, but if you need something more accurate or more versatile, you need an independent 4-jaw chuck. Here, the jaws move independently, allowing you to perfectly center the part or offset it a specific amount. These chucks mount to the spindle nose of the lathe using the cam locks you see here. Before installing the chuck, make sure that all the mating surfaces are clean on the chuck and on the spindle nose of the lathe. Some chucks, like this one, are very heavy, so we use a tool post crane to prevent us from hurting ourselves or damaging the machine. Secure the chuck by turning the cam locks until the tick mark is between both of the arrows. It's really important that all of these cam locks be tight. If not, this could be dangerous later. Using the chuck wrench, approximately center the jaws on the chuck. Use the features on the face of the chuck to help you estimate. Next, install the workpiece. Lightly tighten the jaws to hold it in place, but don't over-tighten. Notice the part is not centered. While using a piece of white paper to help you see what you're doing, hold something soft, like a pencil, against the tool post, and put the tip of the pencil close to the part. Note the location of the high side, where the part is closest to the pencil, and the low side, where the part is farthest away. To start centering the part, lightly loosen the jaw on the low side, and then tighten the high side. This moves the part slightly closer to the pencil on the low side. Check and repeat this step several times until you get it close. Next, we'll use an indicator to finish the job. Grab a tool holder, make sure it's clean, and install it on the lathe. Then, assemble the indicator holder as shown, and slightly preload the indicator to make sure that it's making contact with the part. Then run the indicator back and forth across the top of the part to find the highest reading. This represents the center of the part. Slowly rotate the chuck by hand to find the low and high reading sides. Note that the low and high sides are now vertical instead of horizontal because of the position of the indicator. Average the low and high side values. This gives us a target to shoot for during our first round of adjustments. Adjust the part using the same technique as before, by loosening the low side and tightening the high side. Notice the indicator jumps when you loosen the low side. Adjust the part until the indicator approximately reads your target value. Repeat these steps a few times until the total indicator reading is only a few thousandths. After calculating the new target value, make the final adjustments only by tightening the high side. Do not loosen the low side. Finally, tighten all of the jaws one at a time, monitoring the indicator for movement and correcting as necessary. And there you have it. Our part's centered and we're ready to set up our cutters. Check back next time, and thanks for watching.